Welcome to Mega Kit. Thank you very much for your response to our new channel Mega Kit. Today we are going to see one of our best selling project MK024 traffic signal system. This simple circuit illustrates the basic functioning of the traffic signal. 4 signaling posts on the typical road crossing, each containing red, green and yellow LEDs allows the traffic to move one by one. Let us see the circuit diagram. IC1 NE555 timer IC is used here in off-stable multivibrator mode. Frequency of the timer is determined by R1, R2, P1 and C1 and it is approximately 1 Hz. IP2 and IP3 are decade counter IC CD4017. Pin number 3 of IP1 is connected to clock input pin number 14 of the IP2. IP2 acts as an divider by 5 counter and IP3 as an divided by 4 counter. Clock pulses from the timer is fed to clock input of the IP2. First 4 outputs pin number 3, 2, 4 and 7 are connected together via diode D1 and D4. That means the junction of these diodes will be high for 4 seconds. Pin number 10 of the IP2 will be high for 1 second. Pin number 1 of the IP2 is connected to pin number 15 to reset the counter after every 5 seconds. At the same time, connected to the clock input of the pin 14 of IP3. Output of the IP3 Q0 to Q3, pin number 3, 2, 4 and 7. Output of these IP3 advances every 5 seconds and output Q4 pin 10 is connected to pin 15 to reset the counter after every 20 seconds. Output of the decade counter IP2, that is junction of diode D1 and D4 and pin 10 are connected to NAND gate inputs of IP4 and IP5 CD4093, that is pin number 1, 5, 6 and 12 of both the ICs respectively. Another inputs of these 8 gates are connected to 4 outputs Q0 and Q3, pin number 3, 2, 4 and 7 of IP3. Now for the every 5 seconds, green LED will be on for 4 seconds, yellow LED for 1 second. When both the green and yellow LEDs are off, the red LED will be on. The sequence advances to next post after every 5 seconds and the cycle continues. Let us see the part list. Now let us see the parts required for this project. This is the PCB required for this kit MK024. This is component side of the PCB and this is the track side of the PCB. IC1 NE555 timer IC 8-pin IC with socket. IP2, IP3, FIDI 4017 decade counter IP with socket 2 number. IP4, 5, 6, FIDI 4093 quad NAND gate 14 pin IP with sockets quantity 3 number. D1, D2, D3, D4, 1N4148 diode quantity 4 number. LED 1, 4, 7, 10, 3 mm green LED quantity 4 number. LED 2, 5, 8, 11, 3 mm red LED quantity 4 number. LED 3, 6, 9 and 12, 3 mm yellow LED quantity 4 number. P1 100 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor quantity 1. P2 10 kpf polyester capacitor quantity 1 number. Resistor R1 to R14 1K 1/4 watt PFR resistor quantity 14 numbers. Prefet P1 1 meg prefet quantity 1 number. Now let us see how it works. These are 4 posts on the road crossing. Each post contains green LED, yellow LED and red LED. Whenever the green LED is on, yellow and red are off. After green, there will be yellow and at last there will be a red for each post. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2, second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.